Yo, what's good, Gromies? We back with part 2 of the Spider Farmer 2x2 grow. In the last video, we broke down this setup that Spider Farmer sent over. So in this video, I'm going to get into what actually grows your plants, your soil, and your seeds. First, I'm going to show y'all how I get my soil ready, and then I'll show you how I get my seeds germinated. It ain't nothing fancy, so this part should be easy.
Yeah, it's THC rich, got the tips and the tricks. Plant game strong, watch the buds get thick. KC roots, yeah, I'm planting my claim. Organic flow, no pro, just a bro in the game.
First, let's talk about the soil. I'm running BuildASoil 3.0, fresh out the bag. We're gonna put that in the Grassroots Fabric 20-gallon pot. This is actually a used Grassroots pot. I just dumped that old soil out in my vegetable garden. So if you're brand new, don't feel like everything has to be perfect. You can just use what you got. Keep it simple, just make it happen. This 20-gallon pot's gonna take about 3 bags to fill it up. And with living soil, more soil equals more buffer. I really like this Grassroots Fabric pot because it has a plastic liner inside, so that allows the roots to keep growing instead of air pruning when they hit the side. Make sure you get in there and break up any clumps that may be in there. This cover crop is just going to sit on top of your soil and help bring more life to it. Think of it like a living blanket for your soil. Alright, so I got my pot set up and I got my cover crop in too. So now I'm going to go ahead and water in some Root-Wise Microbe Complete just to get some biology in the soil. This is basically waking the soil up before I even get a plant in there. This is what you're looking for right here. Evenly moist, not soaked. This is the foundation of your whole grow. So you gotta make sure you get this part right. All right, we got the soil all set up. Last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on some of this straw. This is gonna be my mulch layer. This is gonna help retain some of that moisture in the top layer of soil. All right, we're completely done with our soil setup. So now I'm just gonna close the tin up, let it sit in the dark. The cover crop's gonna germinate, the microbes are gonna be in there doing their thing. Now let's get to germinating your seeds. I keep it super simple, just the shot glass method. Just drop your seeds in some dechlorinated or filtered water and let them sit. I know a lot of people look down on this method, but it works for me, so I do it. It usually takes about 24 to 72 hours for me to see the taproot. And as soon as I see that taproot pop out, that's when I move it over into a solo cup. And don't leave them sitting too long once that taproot pops out. That thing will start stretching fast. Once I get my seed put in a shot glass, I just throw them in my bathroom closet. That's the most warm and humid place in my house. So that's it for this part, y'all. We got our soil prep, we got our seeds soaking. Next time I see y'all, the taproot will be showing, and I'll show y'all how I get these transplanted. Until next time, y'all, smoke good, do better. Peace.